What's up, guys? My name is Michelle, and I am doing a quick review on Jordan Mackey's course from Buy 9 to 5. And I just wanted to come to you guys and let you know this is a really, really cool course. I've actually been following Jordan now for over a year. I took the first course last year, seemed pretty interesting for the making money on YouTube without making any videos, packed with a lot of information. Tells you a lot about how to catch people attention with the, anywhere from the basics like the thumbnails to choosing your niche. And it was really, really good because I had never had a YouTube channel before. And so I decided to start one. Now I actually have a couple of YouTube channels. So I decided I wanted to do a little bit better, see what maybe, I'm missing. So I decided to purchase the affiliate marketing course for 2020. And as you can see, a lot of material here. This is my basically the back office of my course. And Jordan goes into a lot of information, a lot of tutorials, anywhere from how to get accepted into a lot of these networks, like the Commission Junction, the Share a Sale, JV Zoo, things like that, where otherwise if you try to do a lot of this stuff on your own, you may, fail at it or struggle with it for a while. So he goes into that. A lot of people think that maybe the Amazon affiliate marketing is basically dead, but he goes into a lot of information, on the Amazon, and telling you a little bit about that and some other strategies. And what I found interesting is that you can also use this course to help you on other social media platforms like Instagram, and apply these same methods to those platforms as well. So I would definitely recommend the course. The price is very reasonable compared to a lot of the other courses out there that's like $1,000. I think I've seen one course on affiliate marketing at one point up to $1,500. Some for like $499, $600. And they're really expensive, especially for someone new that may be coming in. And my thing is, if you're already struggling with money, why would you go and spend that much money on a course? But Jordan really has put a lot of information in here. I mean, you can just go on and on and on. So I'm planning on coming back to purchase the masterclass course very soon, and just see what more information I can get out of that. But just very insightful. Jordan has always been really responsive on the emails when you email him. And I know he has a lot of students, and I probably bug him here and there, but he always responds. It might take 1 or 2 days, but he definitely responds to you. So with all that being said, I would definitely recommend this course for Jordan by 9 to 5. And thank you, Jordan. Always great information. Take care.